like so naughty that he doesn't love me. But it's gonna be chocolate on top of chocolate. Cake. So this is our ingredients. We have milk. We have eggs. It has the spray again, but I know what it says still. This is like square butter, like something, and you know it's this again. I forgot. But chocolate. It's like chocolate, but I don't know what it calls again. So this is powder.
Yeah.
Yes, it's powder and
Chocolate. Nutella.
Nutella. And it's
flour.
And it's actually chocolate, so I'm gonna call it Nutella. And we have flour here. That's a whole bunch. Now look at this cake, is so chocolatey that I can already whisper. So we're gonna put all of this. I love it. And we're gonna put it on the cake. I hope it doesn't taste nasty. And then today is not my brother's birthday because we already ate the cake and we passed all of that and blah 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 blah. And this is my, what's it called again? Oh, my. Well, actually, I'm going to my friend's house because her mother is her birthday, so I want to give her a special cake. Bye.